स्वागत आहे आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल, ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहे UGC नेट MS सेट एक्झाम 2025 पेपर 1 मधील लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग। तर आपण सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग अँड लर्निंग कॅन हॅपन इन डिफरंट वेज। फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फॉर सिम्पल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स, लेट अस look at levels of teaching. In teaching, there is a connection between an experienced teacher and a less experienced student. Teaching is when a teacher helps a student to learn new things. Teaching and learning go hand in hand. The main goal of teaching and learning is to help the student develop in all aspects. There are the following three identifiable levels of teaching and learning activities. First, memory level, Herbert's understanding level, Morrison reflective level, Herd. So, first, memory level of teaching, Herbert's teaching model. The first level of teaching is memory level of teaching. It is also called thoughtless teaching. John F. Herbert, a German philosopher and founder of pedagogy as an academic discipline, was the exponent of model of memory level teaching. At memory level of teaching, the focus is on memorization. It is also as usually used in lower classes. The instructional arrangement is such that the learner is helped in cramming the content present to him. Here the teacher gives a factual material which student memorize without understanding it. The type of teaching is based on the SR conditioning theory of learning, in which bondage is formed between the stimuli, means S, and response R, without involving any purpose. In other words, the main focus is lead up capturing and a systematic presentation of ideas and information. In this level, the teacher presents factual information before the learner. The learner tries to cram and mug to this fact with the least involvement of this thinking and reasoning power, without any care of the understanding of their meaning and application. The learner is subjected the retain of explanation information as long as possible and to reproduce, recall, or recognize it when needed. The whole effect in such a teaching act then revolve around the equation of the fractional information or knowledge through rote learning. So, example of memory levels of teaching. First, teaching basic math operation. For example, addition, subtraction in primary school. Second, instruction spelling rules. For example, silent E rule to elementary student. Third, teaching basic color. Example, red, blue, yellow to preschoolers. Four, instruction simple counting, AE counting to 10 toddler. यानंतरचं अंडरस्टँडिंग लेवल आपण पुढील भागात बघणार आहोत। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा, त्याचबरोबर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला देखील विसरू नका।